Hi guys, this is Anbulisa kahle, but I just want to show you. Niyeke guys, clean ndizawuklina when I'm done unxiba apha. But sana, look at this guys. Hey, Jogani. Yo, Jogani, yabo lihleli apha iJerman lam, Jongani. Alihli and ndizalinxiba linje guys. Sanibonisa izinto zipha kulaa box ndiyibeke ngamabompha. Ndifuna uqale ndinxibe ndigqibe and then ndizokwenza intro yam kakuhle. Bese sizokwenza whatever bendizawuyenza nani. Guys, jongani. This is 8 panels. Yo, kathi ke ndinxibe guys ndizonibonisa outfit of the day ya. Sana guys, jongani. Ndiqobe kanjani ndibeka isikhafu ngaphezulu. And sana lamaqhosha ayaphuma. Sekuphume 2 ngoku. But ke linye lapho makudala elinye liphume today ngobe ndiyi-ayina. So ndizobeka isikhafu apha ngaphezulu ndenzela uba ilingane apha emazantsi. Ayinanga sana, but this is how I look. This is how I look. And I am ready ukucela imali emyenini wam because I can ask for anything xa ndinxibe kanje guys. Xa ndinxibe kanje ndingacela anything. Sana i-lighting is so bad. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Sana, it is so hot. The lights because the weather outside is so gloomy but hot. So yeah guys, molweni, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I hope you will subscribe and decide to stay. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back. It is always good to have you guys. So today is what? Today is Monday. And yes, guys, we're going to today. But Sana, my husband is going. Came back with from M17. He came with spinach. Oh, spinach. He came with spinach, and yeah, guys, now we are about to cook. Sana, I'm sure I'm sure you've already seen my Makoti outfit. I am in my Makoti era. I am in my Makoti era, guys. Sana and yes, but I just decided to bana mandlenje today and cook, clean and cook for my husband. So yeah, bandase masiphekeleni umyeni wami, masiphekeleni umdzeni wami. Sana guys, I am so happy. It's been something and Kesana as we're going to be sitting for years. I think this is spaghetti rice in once. Or I'll suban and Sana guys, I am craving a potato salad. Layer dal band. And you know Sana we are shem. So sizokwenza yona potato salad with rice, beef, nandoni. Maybe chakalaka. I think because I add beetroot, but I'm lying. So yeah guys, speaking with let's get now. these are the spices that I'm going to use on my chakalaka. Understand, give me guys these spices. So, ndiyazama ukuzi. Wathatha odrophini. So guys, my kids are back from school. Asandake sesipili ngiphelelwe yiwindo linsana. Betheze ejoya xa ndiye emall. Guys, iyandistressa le nto yesisiketi. Niyasiba uba sihleli kule ndawo jongani ndide kancame ndakhula kwalo fasikoti jongani guys. And sana ndiyatsha. Yho uzenza ukuthi wife kuphelile. Yho. And sana the way instressa ngakhona this whole thing. I've just placed an order ku Herbalife. Gone bandasi 1.3. I just hope bandizoba consistent ke ndizisebenzise and also ndiqhubeke ejimini. Please don't mind the TV ngabantwana and sana ndiyayiva uba yenza inoise eninzi. But sana no, nantsi eyona nto indistressayo leyo yobana I can't fit on my clothes. Sana I need to do something. Ewe sendiqalile but I'm on and off. But now I'm praying because I'm praying by Friday is before so that I can start on Monday. I'm still cooking. I'm not done, but I'll show you a final product when I'm done. Yo guys, this is what's happening. I've been rambling, yapping and yapping and yapping. Yeah. I still want to schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my port, I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Because I straight, you are not my mate. If you become shit, I'll be head of states. But now people they go say, I know one time, I know one time, I know one women, I want enjoy, I want job time, I want buy, I want clothes, I still want some. I'm not garlic, I don't like garlic, but sometimes people think I've been just a little bit, yeah, I'm not cold. But the next time I'll do better. How do the TikTok girlies do it? Oh, Sama. What's Sama's the Hi guys, Mulweni. Hello. It is another day. My Herbalife order has arrived, so I want us to unbox and see what we have inside. But guys, what if aziphelelanga abe udriver emkile? But ke udriver bengazi, it's not like calling them as a. So yeah guys, let's unbox my Herbalife order. Oh, I can't wait for Monday. It's a culture challenge, yeah. And this time I'm crossing fingers because I've paid so much for his Windows 3. So yeah guys, let's unbox. Guys, hey, please don't mind me, son. The order, if you can clean, I'm gonna know. Let me clean first the baby so that I can unbox because the taste. So yeah guys, njengenjwayelo o. Njengenjwayelo o ifike with these what are these things called? The red bubbles. I don't know, but then we have a life. We are guys. We are waster because if box another for into ezincinci kangaka igcwele nje lezinto. Ihliziyo yami icishe yama. Ndithi zithuqa. So let's unbox my babies. I've got a multifiber. A multifiber it helps with to eliminate. It helps with the digestive system. I've got my tea, that's why it's and the boring part about leti ingaka is that it doesn't come in flavors. It's just original and it bitter, guys. So the multifiber. I'm not sure if you know. Guys, I'm so excited. And then lady, I chose the bigger size because I lasted the whole month and so I know bana okay, let me show you guys the baby. And then the alu concentrate drink, a mango, and the tan original now a mango. So mensathini guys na bensithi le nto iyakhawuleza uphela because iyafana noba yi-sweetener but now you know why you sebenzi. So ezi products xa ziyi-3 kanje ne ziyadetoxa xa uzidibanisile zonke wenza i-detox juice zirayithi for i-belly fat i-fat loss kahle kahle but zitargeta more kwi-belly area, stomach. Ezi zoyi-2 nazo ungaziphera kanje zoyi-2 ne. This one guys ne high caffeine. It's good for gym okanye xa ufuna uba hlwaps uyabo. Ndiyayithanda because inenza uba avoid energy drinks, and then this one andithanda ukuyisebenzisa yodwa, but you can use these 2 nazo uyabo. You don't have to get the whole tonto. Oh my god, it's just that ndifuna fit, quick, fast and furious ntontoni ihlasele. And then this is my receipt. Bayithumele ke nakwi-email yami, my email address. Sana ndandingucoach onzima kakubi, ifika yami yayingaka guys. Lo bhuti wandibhumza sana wandihlalisa umntana ndawabhum from there. And yes man guys, I used to love gym so much, enjoy. I think maybe because I enjoy more xa sendihlile nyana kancinci sendide ndaqhela yabo, but for now sana no. Ezi zinto ke guys azitsho ngoba zenze imalini, but I still remember zenze 1,275 rands. Bezizokwenza i-1,050 rand only if bendithathe itile incinci, but I decided to take this one. And also ke bantase, if ufuna ndikuthengele, you can DM me on Instagram at Mrs. Mqoqi or Facebook at Anathi Sitting Mqoqi. I think ndiyabuyela man kwi-group ka-Herbalife, but guys, to be honest, these products are so expensive. That's why ndade ndaziyeka ndizithenga manqapha. So yaba ndasebenzithi mandinibonise, otherwise there's nothing endiyenzayo, there's nothing endizonibonisa yona ngaphandle kwe-order yam. So yeah, I'm so happy. I'm even tempted ubana ndiyenze ngoku ndisele, but I had a coffee with Ilantic with sugar this morning, and yoku coffee in a caffeine and this one in a caffeine. No sana izanenza i-heart palpitation. Palpitation on to yonke lento iyo. So yaba ndase, I will see you. Mwah. C'est comme tu vas dans un, oh tu me dis, des câlins, ah du côté, à nos pieds, on nous va now.
she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is polite. Tell me in the home about. Tell me is you down? Cause I'm tryna go tonight. Only hope you said the right. I just want good in a fantasy. Think we deserve.
Hi Bulweni sana andiyazi baku how many days sana. I have not been vlogging for maybe a week, but ke hi guys, sisuka e-mall ngoku, and then sana I'm craving inyama yentloko, so I asked my husband mana mhlawumbe siyothenga inyama yentloko nesibindi. So now we are outside our place. Sisuka hayi mntanam, we are outside our place. Sisuka e-mall. Angenanga nongena nguyongena because he wants to use the bathroom. Oh, I'm so tired, guys. He wants to use the bathroom, and then after that, siya eKasi, guys, eKatlehong. So we have Mandasi Masambini. Bathini baby, bathi phelile. Ikhona bebeyiphekile or like iphela uphela. Mina ndi-understand laa ndawo, bayazi uba kuyagcwala kakhulu, especially on weekends. Akho mhlehlo mosapha. Amathe. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hi, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is village that I'm ne. So yesterday I went to a builder's to check as a plants and certain fungus compare, and the artificials are corner, they are $8.99. Corner is especially 86 something ne. But go okay babe. And then as Yanas are saying, it's the price home, right? The artificial I city 1.2, and then later real it's city $8.99. Yabo. So the time the artificials are saying it's the price home more than as I say builders. And then is the plant like a real plant tree name. Yona ditanda as I say builders more than as angap. So I feel like getting a real plant tree. That's my problem. If ndizokwazi now kuyikhathalela, and also kuyo ndonqena like laa nto yoba inalaa mhlaba wayo, and then abantwana bam bazavele bafune udlala ngawo. So guys, I don't know man uba ndithini. I really don't know. Ndicinga ukuya ngoko, but ke if ndiyile izawuvela kwenye ivlog because I am closing this one ngoku. I am having a detox tea or a juice. It says iyabana nobanda. So guys, I want to show you what I got is this is what I got is I wanted black, but then again ndaphinda ndacinga uba oh kanene ndineziyana zasebulisi ezi-black, and kule ndawo nazo zinje, so nabenqoba no white will do. I love white more than the black ones, but bengicinga la art ngoba zizokhawuleza zingcole and all that. But ke ndagqibela sendithatha ezi nansi Atlantic. Oh, I love them so much. Yintoni? What? So yabantase ngoku ndimo ngoku ndlandukile, ndisike ndabhideka man, but ke I am here to close off Ilanduka, guys. I'm here to close off vlog. Thank you so much for watching until this far. I hope you didn't skip ads, and please leave a comment down below if you don't know what to say. Just leave just leave a heart, or just comment uba bendikhona. So yeah, Bantasa, thank you so much. Ahlum. Until next time. Yeah, don't touch Ahlum. Until next time, Bantasa. Bye.